In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $16,972 in commission in one single month with Pinterest affiliate marketing using organic free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you new trending services that you should start promoting on Pinterest. Those services related to Christmas, and Christmas is very close. You guys know that Christmas will be maybe in December next month, so you need to really start promoting those services that I will share with you in this video if you want to start making some commissions, okay, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. I'm making every single month over $10,000 with Pinterest affiliate marketing using free traffic, and this payment was already paid. This is my invoice and it's paid, as you can see over here. This is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. As you can see, payments was paid. I always share with you everything in this video, make it really good and easy for you guys. So anyway, let's get started. For people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this affiliate website over here. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150 for just for some services, like for pro services that provided by pro sellers. And the best part is each time this buyer will make transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for every transaction this person will make, okay, because he used your affiliate link to buy the first service, okay. And for the next 12 months you will keep making commissions from just this one person each time he will make a transaction, okay. So you guys, like I said, you can check this website, you can get more idea. So just click here on join now and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay. What you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. And like I said, we will use services related to Christmas. Let me show you. Let's see, when is Christmas? Next month, December, should be Christmas. Yes, you guys can see Christmas will be in December 25, okay, 2024. You see, so it's close. So what we will do, we will start promoting services related to Christmas. So go back to Fiverr, click on the search for Christmas video. You can search for just Christmas and promote any services related to Christmas because it's trending right now, okay, and it's very close. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can see this one is level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star. This service starting from just $5. A lot of people can buy this one. I will make this beautiful Christmas greeting video. I will click on this seller service like this. I will choose the seller. Okay, let me show you. I will click, let's click again on this seller service like this, and you will be directly in this seller profile page like this, you guys can see. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller. Okay, copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So if you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Super easy and simple. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. They will ask you if you want to create business account or personal account. Choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, what you will do next, you will click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. That's a really amazing video about Christmas. I will click on this video and I will click on save video. Okay, I will save this video to my laptop like this. And what you will do next, you need to put this video on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest. So just go back to your Pinterest, to this Pinterest homepage. Okay, and click over here and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. So let's click over here. Let's upload our video about Christmas, this one. It's a really amazing video. Scroll down, click, you need to put your title and your description. Let's go back to the seller profile page. Let's copy his title and let's go back to Pinterest and let's put this title over here. Description, I will go back to this seller profile page. I will scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is the description of the seller. So I will copy this description. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys cannot see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one. You need to put here keywords related to those services about Christmas. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see here related tags. Those are your keywords. Copy those keywords. Those keywords are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description. Anyway, we will put those keywords here. Pinterest will give you much tags, as you can see. We have also Christmas card. We have Christmas cookies, and put all keywords related to Christmas. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy and it's simple. Okay, You guys can see. You should know that no one will share with you like those methods. Those methods, people are selling like those methods. Okay, I'm sharing those methods for free in my YouTube channel. If you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you want to see more videos like this. And you guys can see we just published our first uh, service as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr. So this is our video explaining the service. It's Christmas service, and Christmas is very close, you guys know this. So that's, you should start promoting any services related to Christmas. Okay, and that's it. You should, and you guys need to also keep using this method. Okay, after you publish your first pin, after 2 days, get back to your pin and see how many clicks this pin got, how many clicks, how many impressions. If this pin is getting a lot of clicks, meaning that people are interested in this pin, interested in this service. Okay, promote more services related to this, more services like this one who got a lot of clicks. Okay, and like this way you can make commissions. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address. I'm not using just Pinterest. I want also to make this clear. This commission that I got, it didn't come just from Pinterest. I'm using TikTok, Quora, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, long YouTube videos, and so much more. Okay, if you are interested to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in my next videos.